again. So today I'm gonna be unboxing again. Today I'm gonna unboxing tripod I bought from Shopee.
Tripod.
Oh, tripod. It's only 16 ringgit. 2 pound. 3 pound. 3 pound. So let's open it. Let's open. 16 ringgit, guys. 16 ringgit from Shopee. The wrapping is really good. Quite good. So wait. They even put fragile. It's broken. Let's see what it look like. 16 ringgit tripod. I think if you bought from shop, they will sell it for 45 ringgit. You buy from Shopee, 16 ringgit. Oh, looking good box. Wow. DK 388 mobile phone tripod, camera tripod. Wow, that's really good actually for 16 ringgit. So let's open. Wow. Oh my. It's very good though. Oh, this is for your phone, I think. Wow, this is quality 16 ringgit. And they come out like this. Wow, I'm impressive. So how you put your phone? Oh wow, look at this. If you want longer, or you can pull out if you want longer. Wow. This one. Oh. So this is the tripod, 16 ringgit. They're quite high, and as camera. And they have a Bluetooth. So this is Jamie phone. It's Android. So I using this one. This is for Android. This is for iPhone. So let's testing. Oh, Jamie said time his phone. Oh, it's working. This is Bluetooth is working, and this one you can you can like this, make this phone center. That's good. 16 ringgit. Okay, better. Thank you.